The day that I was not looking forward to 9 months ago when I first arrived here is finally here. It's time to go back to the United States. You can see it's like super messy in here, like all the trash. This is basically like all boxes of stuff that I had purchased. And then we've got, between Amanda and I, we've got, two large size luggages each, two carry-ons. So a lot of stuff to bring back. Anyway, yeah, it's been a rough couple of days for me, especially because, I felt so at home here in Hong Kong that I just really haven't wanted to leave at all. Plus all the new friends that I've made. It's been a really great time, I've enjoyed every bit of it, even though it's super hot every day and I've got my AC off because it's too loud. But I wanted to have good audio. Welcome to empty Hong Kong airport. So we realized we forgot to buy the Shake Shack fry seasoning. So we're making a last minute stop at the airport, hoping they have the Shake Shack fry seasoning. But actually, I think it's too early. We need to wait a bit later. So do you want to eat?
We can eat something else first.
Yeah, you don't want to eat McDonald's?
We're going to be here all the way till 5, so we should eat something first.
Well, we'll check in, we'll go back there at some point, but so yeah, it's just a question. Do you want to eat this or do you want to eat something else first?
Let's eat something else first.
Please hold the handrail and don't.
So we got our COVID testing done over there by Prenetics. It's pretty simple, but this was like the most painful COVID test we've ever done.
They went real far up there.
And they kept it back there for a long time.
Do you think it's still open right now? It's kind of early for long.
I don't know, let's go see.
How full is there?
Look at this 7-Eleven, that looks really nice.
Who the fuck are
So many counters. Let's take a look.
Love like fast food, 7-Eleven food.
Oh, they've got a whole bakery. Oh, they've got melon pie.
Oh.
Actually,
I haven't tried that yet.
yeah, I've never tried that. And then what is this?
I have no idea. Oh, it's also melon bread.
Is it melon bread?
Melon cream bread.
Oh, so this is actually melon flavor. This is just the melon shake. Oh, I can't see. The curry and the cutlet, pork chop cutlet. I think I want to get that. Oh, they have takoyaki too. Okay.
One of the last times we'll scan this. Where do you miss it? Corner? Do you know what you want?
I think so. That looks pretty good. Wow, it's like really deep curry. Let's see. Wow, that's a lot of curry. Usually it's like not that much curry. Cool. Oh, nice. Thank you. Soup. Can you get me a chopsticks, maybe?
Ethan, you have to be more careful when you're eating. Always burning yourself or biting yourself.
Very good. I do like the curry.
It's good. It's not spicy.
Japanese curry isn't usually spicy.
Yeah, you're right. It's very sweet.
I got a spoon, Just got through airport security. Amanda went through with her HKID for the first time. Wow, the airport is so empty.
It was really busy when I went to McDonald's.
Yeah, there's a lot of people out there, but inside the terminal it's less. I wonder, like, I bet LA, when we land in LA, it's gonna be so packed.